Go to the internet. Write Nvidia PhysX. Open the website. If this website isn't available, take a good look at the link. Go to the Internet Archive and write the link here and press Enter. Download it. Install it. Now proceed to the next part. If it is already installed, proceed as normal. Go to Computer, open Drive, open Program Files, scroll down, open Nvidia, PhysX, open Common. In some cases, the Nvidia folder may also be under Drive. In the Nvidia folder, select All Files, right-click it, and click Copy. Go to the place where you installed Way of the Samurai and open the game folder. Right-click anywhere and click Paste. If necessary, you can replace the file. This is how you solve the PhysX problem of Way of the Samurai. Some people may also need the Microsoft Visual C++ 2010 Service Pack distributable package to run the game. You can find this on the internet and just download it and install it. Like and subscribe to support my work, and thank you for watching.